Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Over the years, I've struggled with this. If I select both these and hit the letter T, it puts it to the top. But if I want it to the outside top, I can change my ratio, my object origin, but it doesn't change. Now, this is an oddball size. I could take this and cut it, copy that, get off that, delete my nudge distance and hit paste. And then when I hit this, it's going to put it on the top exactly. But that's a lot of steps and you're cutting and copying. So let's put this back to the center, hit T, put them to the top. If you will go to Windows Dockers and transformation or transform, depending on what version you have, go right here to position, select on that shape, and it tells you it's 3.68 inches, and we want to copy to the top. It's going to put it to the top. If we select it here, put this copy to the bottom, it'll put another one to the bottom. So it's going to save a lot of steps when you want that on top, because you're going to want, let's say you're going to rotate it. So we're going to Control D, alternate C, and you could do that inside here, with the rotation. And let's say we want it 22.5 degrees and we want 12, or we want 15, whatever you want, it's going to put it around and space them out. So, but the game changer is right here I'm going to hit P, put it in the center of the page. I don't even have, I do. I have to hit T, put it to the top. But then I'm going to go to the positioning. It's going to, when you click on that circle, it's going to know the size of the circle. And we want it to go the top one copy. And also, while we're just here, this is pretty useful if you want to duplicate this circle, and let's say we want 20 of them, it's going to put 20 circles all touching because they're the exact right amount. And if we take them and weld them, they're perfect because the line was right on top of each other. Anyway, I hope that helps somebody a little bit. Thank you for watching.